We'll guide you through how to factory reset Windows 11 or 10 without logging in and without the password. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you've forgotten the password, or you just don't have to go and sign in to do the process. We're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. Make sure this full guide and don't skip anything, as we're covering important things throughout this whole guide. So just remember, because we're going to be resetting it, you're going to be losing all of your files. So you may want to consider going and logging in first to go and back them up, because otherwise they are going to be permanently deleted unless you got them backed up somewhere. And that'll include apps, everything, all settings, everything's to be back to how it was when you first got it from the factory. So to go and get started with this, we need to go and enter into recovery mode. There are different ways you can go about this, so we're going to walk you through this step by step. So the first way we're going to guide you through is turn it on as you usually would, and you'll just go and click on the lock screen. So on the sign-in page, what you need to do is you need to go to the bottom right. There you go and find the power button, which you can click. While holding shift, you need to go and click restart, like so. Now the restart process will begin. Be patient, and what should happen is it's going to go and restart into recovery mode. Alternatively, what you can try doing is you can try pressing down one of the F keys. So on this laptop, I'd need to go and be pressing F11 as the computer starts, and that will go and enter into the mode as well. So some different ways it can be done. I think holding shift and pressing restart is one of the easiest, but an alternative is to go and press down the F11 key, spam it essentially, and it should then boot up into this mode here. So to go and reset it from here, what you then need to do is you want to go and find the option for troubleshoot just here, so we can go and reset your PC or see advanced options. As you can see here, we then have the option for reset this PC, and you can choose if you want to go and keep files. This removes apps and settings, but keeps your personal files, or you can remove everything. Of course, in this case, we're focusing on removing everything, so go and click there. Now, it's important to note that during this process, if your computer is locked with something called BitLocker, you'll need to go and enter in the recovery key. It's going to guide you through on how you can find it. You can actually go and find it in your Microsoft account. So you need to go and sign in on another device. On the screen, actually, it'll go and give you the location. I'll put a screenshot of what it will go and look like. It'll go and give you the location you need to head to on another device, and you can then go and sign in there with your Microsoft account, and you'll then be given the key. And you need to enter that key in before you can go and factory reset it. So it just goes and acts as a bit of protection on your computer. So now that we've got that out of the way and you're on this screen here, you can go and decide if you want to do a cloud download or local reinstall. I like to go and do a local reinstall because a cloud download is going to be 4 gigabytes of data. It can take a bit of time. Now we can go and wait for this to go and get the next step ready. It shouldn't be much longer. And as you can see, we can now choose if you just want to remove your files if you're keeping your PC, or you can go and clean it fully. I like to do a clean drive, and that's better if you're recycling it, and it's just going to be more reset. So everything's going to be fully cleaned. Go and wait. It's now getting things ready again, and then we can go and confirm the decision. So are you ready to reset the device? It cannot be undone. Make sure it's plugged in. Mine is. And make sure you understand everything is going to be deleted. Settings, apps and programs that didn't come on this PC, and Windows will be reinstalled. So you can press reset and the process will then go and begin. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.